Morning everyone, it's Paul down at CCRV. What we're going to do today, we're going to put some airbags on a new Ford Ranger. Right, this is before and after. Right, Dave, come round here and explain what we've got to do. Right, we've taken the wheel off obviously and exposed everything, so where does it, what have we got to take off, Dave?
We'll get an airbag to show you. So the airbag's got to go in over the top of the two U-bolts.
Yeah.
Under these clamps.
Yeah.
And then screws up through where the bump stuff is on the top.
Alright, so just basically we take them bits, those bits off, and then replace it with the airbag.
Literally just pulls off.
Yeah.
Like that. There's a nut up in there, we'll take that out.
We'll take that out. And then you just take it.
That's it. So you take your top mount off.
Right, we've removed that. And now we've got to remove that bit.
Slacken the two U-bolts to take the mount off the spring. Take the two U-bolts off the top.
Just put them to the side there.
The plate comes off.
Then remove that plate.
Removes the plate. And there's two 14mm bolts underneath. Takes that plastic packing piece off the top of the spring. Just take them two out. I'll just take them two bolts off.
There you go.
Take that off there.
Obviously this is nice and easy because the truck's brand new.
And take them all back on.
Put them back on. Right,
and
there
now
you
we're
go.
ready for the airbag to go in.
Right.
We need to just jack the truck up to get a bit more room in here. Actually get the airbag in the space.
Yeah. Oh, go on then.
Okay, first we have to raise the truck up. So we've got more of a gap here so we can actually get the airbag.
Right, put the bowl jack on there, Dave, so that gives you a bit more of a gap up there to get the new airbag in place. Right. Alright, let's have a look at this.
Okay.
Right, what are we doing now?
We're going to compress the airbag.
Yep.
Make it as short as possible.
Yeah. I will put that little bung on there. Hold on, bit fiddly.
Yeah, leave it.
Oh dear. No bad language on this video.
Do you want a bit of hot water?
And that, we got it. And Dave's got it right. That holds the bag compressed.
Hold that on there.
Yeah.
Airbag went inside.
That should allow us. Oh hello, what are you doing there, Dave? Put that plate on.
Washer on. Small one.
That plate.
This goes up in here. And we literally just thread that.
Alright, we got our crooked old landlord here in the background chatting away. Oh, we're trying to do videos. There he is over there. Oh, Bob, look. Wanted it should have above his head, look.
Now we can take the bung back out of the airbag.
Yeah.
And the airbag will just drop down.
And that drops into place.
Clamps over. And bolt it all up.
Put the clamps back. And bolt it up.
And then just bolt it all up.
There you go. Where does the airline go then, Dave?
On the inside, and we run it up through the chassis inside.
Yeah, I'll show you that. And we're doing this one. What we're doing this one? It's not on a pump, is it? It's on
just normal Schrader valves.
Schrader valves
on the back bumper.
And so you just put the air in it as and when you want it, really. Just a cheaper way of doing it, I suppose. But that's how to fit airbags on the new Ranger. Right, this is the standard train weight here, 6,500 kilos. But the main thing is, it actually makes the whole thing ride a bit better. If you get on bumpy ground, it sort of stops it diving into the back of the truck and everything. I think that's why some of them are called Ride Right suspension, because that's exactly what it does. Makes the whole thing ride right. But that's the new Ford Ranger. That's the first one we've done. We sort of recommend it for most of our customers that turn the fifth wheel and stuff like that, because again, it makes the whole thing ride right. So Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe, always helps us out. Speak to you soon.